Black Americans have been the hardest hit by this COVID-19 pandemic, and as the coronavirus sweeps through Black communities here in Philadelphia, a group of Black doctors have banded together to bridge the gap of health disparities and remove the barriers of disproportionate testing. By forming a consortium of Black doctors who've instituted free COVID-19 drive-through testing and walk-in testing in at-risk areas throughout the city. Let's meet some of the Black doctors on the front line making a difference during this pandemic.
Hey everybody, this is Chinchilla Jonice here reporting for PhillyCAM Voices, and I am here today at Triumph Baptist Church, located 1648 West Hunting Park Avenue. And doctors are here today testing people for free for coronavirus.
My name is Dr. Ayla Stanford, and I'm a pediatric surgeon and the organizer of the Black Doctors COVID-19 Consortium. Black Doctors COVID-19 Consortium was born out of once the Philadelphia Tribune reported that 46% at the time, now 54% of African Americans were dying from COVID-19, and that actually affluent neighborhoods were more likely to be tested than those in the hardest hit neighborhoods, particularly in North Philadelphia. And so we want to bridge that gap. So not only are we the ones who have more disease and are dying, but we're also the ones that are unable to get a test. I mean, so it's like the deck was stacked against us, and our goal is to remove those barriers so that it isn't, and we have an opportunity to change some of the disease and death that's being seen disproportionately in the African American community. The city was not implementing increased testing in any of our hardest hit neighborhoods, so I took this upon myself to put this together and get all of my friends together so that we could test folks and identify those who are positive so we could get them out of the community, potentially infecting others. And to date, we've been successful in doing that. I think after today, if not Saturday, we will have tested about 2,000 people in about 7 to 8 days. And right now what we're doing, these are samples that we've taken, so it has the media in it, and there's a swab that we have taken down someone's nasopharynx, and then with the media is how they identify the active virus in the media. And this is run by PCR testing. It's all through LabCorp. I think I can show you that without identifying a person's name. And they are running the test as a gold standard PCR for the active virus that is COVID-19. And I want to get these over on ice.
Okay.
All right?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome so much. Thanks for coming and checking us out, and I appreciate the support.
You're welcome. Thank you. I'm here with Dr. Reginald Floyd. What prompted you to do this?
Well, I'm a native Philadelphian as well, and I'm quite aware of the health disparities among our African American community. One of the things that kind of bothers me is when the media states that the African American community is more likely to contract COVID. It's not put in the proper context. And what I mean by that is, it seems like to me, this is just my opinion, that it's like it's endemic to being Black, and it has nothing to do with that. It mainly has to do with that socioeconomic issues. So when you're poor and you lack access to health care, or you have some pre-existing conditions such as smoking, hypertension, diabetes, and obesity, that's not a issue of just being endemic to being Black. It's a lot of socioeconomic. So I can tell you that I've taken care of some of my patients down in the Frankfurt area who are not Black, and they're COVID positive, and they have the same issue. So say, for instance, if you went out to Appalachia or any rural area and you encounter poor white citizens, they will probably have the same pre-existing condition. For those who do have these pre-existing conditions or lack of access to health care within our community, I just want to be a spoke in a wheel.
to Dr. Stanford and Foy and the entire consortium of Black doctors and its volunteers. On behalf of the Black community, we not only commend you, but we thank you. Chinchilla Jonicia, PhillyCAM Voices. If you are having coronavirus type symptoms or have been in contact with someone who has tested positive in the past 14 days and you would like to be tested, go to www.realconciergemedicine.com.